Hello and welcome to English tutorial sessions by Wizert. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the most common errors that we make while using nouns in a sentence. Rule 1. Certain nouns exist in only plural form. Examples: scissors, wages, braces, binoculars, pants, etc. This means that we always have to use a plural verb whenever we are using such words as subjects in a sentence. Rule 2. Certain nouns are plural in form but singular in meaning. This means that some words have an S in the end, which is why they appear to be plural, but they are not, and in fact, they have a singular meaning. Examples: news, politics, physics, economics, ethics, etc. So we always have to use a singular verb whenever we are using these words as subjects in a sentence. Rule 3. Certain nouns are singular in form but plural in meaning. This is the exact opposite of Rule 2. So with these kind of words, we always have to use a plural verb whenever we are using them as subjects in a sentence. For example, cattle, police, people, poultry, gentry, etc. Rule 4. Deer, sheep, series, species, fish, crew, team, jury, aircraft, and council are certain nouns that are used in both singular and plural form, which means that if you're using these words as subjects in a sentence in a singular way, then we always have to use a singular verb with them. And if you're using these words in a plural way as subjects in a sentence, then we have to use plural verbs. Rule 5. Hyphenated noun does not have plural form. So we never say 200 rupees notes, but we always say 200 rupee notes. Similarly, we do not say 5 stars hotels, we say 5-star hotels. Rule 6. Use of or apostrophe with nouns. Apostrophe is used in the following ways to express possession. A. Living things. So, for example, we say Anaya's book, a woman's book. This represents possession. So, you're talking about a girl, Anaya, whose book is there, and then you're talking about a woman and her book. B. If a plural noun ends in s or es, s is not added while using apostrophe with the plural form. So basically, we use the apostrophe sign after the last s of the word. So boys' college and similarly girls' school. However, if plural form is different from singular form, s comes with both the forms. So child's school and children's school, because the plural of child is children. However, they both are very different in forms and therefore we can use an apostrophe sign with them. Similarly, man's duty and then menswear. Apostrophe is not used with non-living things. We use of. So this is one of the most important aspects where most people do a mistake. So table's leg is incorrect because table is a non-living thing. So we cannot use an apostrophe sign with non-living things. Therefore, we will say leg of table. Similarly, we cannot say Almira's handle. We have to say handle of Almira. Rule 7. Now, these are the most common mistakes that we make. So, we end up saying cousin brother or cousin sister, which is incorrect, and we should say cousin. Again, pickpocketer is no word. Instead of that, we have to use pickpocket. Most of the times, we end up asking the other person, what is your good name? Which is absolutely incorrect because names are never good or bad. You just say, what is your name? Big blunder. Now, we never say big blunder, we will only use the word blunder because blunder itself means a big mistake. Similarly, we can never say strong breeze because breeze is never strong, so we have to say strong wind. Then again, we end up calling people proudy. So that is no word, and instead of proudy, we have to use the word proud. So among school students, this is one of the most common mistakes that they make. They end up using the phrase according to me very frequently, which is absolutely incorrect. And instead of that, we have to use in my opinion. Now, dreams are never good or bad. The word dream itself represents a vision that you had while sleeping, which was good. So, if you want to say that you had a bad or like a scary dream, so instead of using the phrase bad dream, we should say a nightmare. That's all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.